Okay, hello, good morning students. Now in this video I'll be discussing the home assessment questions of the second your pattern type question, the second type which we're discussing. Okay, I've given you home assessment. Okay, so here you can see the second type where every line we have a value which is repeated. Okay, so start with the class pattern and avoid pattern 1. Okay, in pattern 1 I have to solve the first series. Okay, so the first pattern. Okay, so we have to make the table. Remember what you have to do in the first step first. We have to put the I values, seeing the values which is repeated in each line. So the value of the i's will be what? The I value will start from 5. It will go next will be 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the value which is there in each line. So that will denote your I. Clear all of you? Now seeing these values of I, 5 till the value of 1, I have to go from 5 till the value 1, and we have to keep on decreasing by 1, 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So we'll make the I loop first. For integer I goes to 5. Okay, then after we'll put the value in the right column, the second column in the table which we're making for the making the J loop. Okay, what value should I put in the first line? How many times I need to print? I need to print 5 times. Okay, so you can also go in the other way if you're getting confused. We can see the from the 5, the first value of I, you have to go till how many times you have to print the first line? 5 times. So from 5 you go down in the I column. The fifth term, what is the fifth term? 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. The last term is 1, so write 1 on the right side. Clear all of you? After that, in the left side, you know, or the box what you write, the values in the left column is of I, and the right, the second column we have 1, so I to 1, and with the plus or minus we will see from the left towards right. Okay, if I move from 5 towards 1, if I go from 5 towards 1, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 times it will run, and it will go keep on decreasing, so the J will be J minus minus. Clear all of you? Now we make the J loop. This is the thing we required for making the J loop. These things you have to do. So int J equals to I, J greater than equals to 1, J minus minus. So here you see that inside the J loop I am printing the value of I, because it is second type. Whatever the I value, that will be printed in each line. Okay, as many times the J loop will run, that many times the value of I will be printed. Okay, so after the J loop is over, we'll write SOPLN, then close the I loop, and then void pattern 1 is closed. Okay, the next one will make the next one void pattern 2. Again, this one, if you see, if you make the table, again the values of I will write first for making the I loop. The first value is 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So write the values of I. Now the value of I we see here. In the first line, how many times do I need to print? I need to print 1 time. The first line, the first value of I is what? 5, that you write in the right hand side. Like in the first example which we see here, I have to print I how many times? 5 times. The first line to print 5 times. So the fifth value of I is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1. I wrote in the right side 1. Okay. If you second one example, if you see, I have to print 5 1 time. It is the first value of I in the column 5. So write 5 in the right side. Now what you will do is, the box column what you will write, I is the value, and left column we have I, the right we have 5, so I hyphen 5. And with the plus or minus, what you will do from left towards right, I have to see what is happening from 5 to 5. I did not understand from 4 to 5. All the examples should work on. So from 4 to 5 we go, or 3 to 5 we go, it is plussing. So what you will do, it will be J plus plus. Okay, so our table is ready. So first I loop will make for I int I equals to 5, I greater than equals to 1, I minus minus. Now J loop will start from I till 5, J plus plus, and after that you write SOP I, SOP ln. Clear? Understood? Clear? If you understand how to make the table, making of the loops is not difficult. If it is minus minus, then it will be greater than equals to. If it is plus plus the loop, then it will be less than equals to. Okay, in the condition. Understood? Remember that. Okay, this is how you solve this second type pattern questions. Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll be following this method, okay, in the next coming videos, in the next types. Okay, so how we made the table, remember that carefully. Okay, thank you.